Good morning, everyone. I think everybody staying home and everybody are fine. So today we discuss the lesson number 1, exercise number 5, 6 and 7. Three topics we today discuss. So at first put the date. Today's date is 17th August 2020. Day is Monday. Subject is French. Today topic lesson number 1, exercise number 5, 6 and 7. So everybody open your book page number 9 and also open your copy. Okay. So at first we discuss the exercise number 5. Here is appelez bien. Appelez bien means write the proper spelling. Here is some wrong spelling. You write the proper spelling. Okay. So see the board. I have to write in the board. You write in your copy. Okay. See the board. I think everybody see the board. One. S-A-L-L-U-T. Salute. S-A-L-L-U-T. Salute. So there is a wrong spelling. Actual spelling S-A-L-U-T. Salute means hi. Hi. That is salute. S-A-L-U-T. Salute. Okay. Number 2. Ça va bien. C-A-V-A-B-I-B-E-I-N. Ça va bien. But it is the wrong spelling. Actually spelling se dil a sa v-a va b-i-e-n. Ça va bien. Exercise 3. And exercise 5, question number 3. Bon matin. B-O-N-N-E. Bon. M-A-T-I-N. Bon matin. But here is a wrong spelling. Actual spelling B-O-N. Bon. M-A-T-I-N. Bon matin. Okay. B-O-N. Bon. M-A-T-I-N. Matin. Bon matin. Number 4. M-O-M-O-N-S-I-O-R. There is a wrong spelling. Actual spelling M-O-N-S-I-E-U-R. Monsieur. M-O-N-M-S-I-C-E-U-R. Monsieur. Bon monsieur. Salut means hi. Ça va bien. Everything is well. Bon matin. Good morning or good day. Monsieur. That means sir or mister. Number 5. M-A-D-A-A-M. Wrong spelling. Actual spelling M-A-D-A-M-E. Madame. M-A-D-A-M-E. Madame. Exercise 6. M-A-D-E-M-O-S-E-L-L. Mademoiselle. But here is Madame means madam. Mademoiselle. That means M-A-D. Mad. M-O-I-S-E-L-L-E. Mademoiselle. At first write it. Then I discuss exercise 6. I repeat once again. Salut. S-A-L-U-T. Salut. 2. Ça va bien. Se dil a sa v-a va b-i-n. Ça va bien. Number 3. Bon matin. B-O-N. Bon. M-A-T-I-N. Bon matin. Number 4. Monsieur. M-O-N-M-S-I-E-U-R. Monsieur. M-O-N-M-S-I-E-U-R. Monsieur. Number 5. Madame. M-A-D-A madam. Number 6, mademoiselle. M-A-D, mad, M-O-I, moi, S-E-L-L-E, mademoiselle. Okay? Exercise 5 is complete. Exercise 6, relier les colonnes. Relier les colonnes, that means the matching the two columns. Matching the two columns. Matching the two columns. If you any problem to write it from the board, don't worry, after the class I will take a snapshot and send it your homework assignment tag. Okay? So don't worry. Exercise 6. Number 1, bon voyage. B-O-N, bon, V-O-Y-A-G-E, bon voyage. That is side by side I matching it. C, have a nice journey. Bon voyage, that match C, have a nice journey. Number 2, bon weekend. Bon weekend, that means have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. Bon weekend. In French, bon weekend, that means have a nice weekend. Number A. Number A. Number 2, that is match number A. Have a nice weekend. Number 3, bonne route. Bonne route, that is matching E. Have a safe journey. Have number E. Have a safe journey. Number E. Have a safe journey. Number 4, bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances, that means F. Have a nice holiday. Number F. Have a nice holiday. Number 4, bonnes vacances, that is F. Have a nice holiday. Number 5, bonne année. Number 5, bonne année, that means Happy New Year. Bonne année. D, that means Happy New Year. D, Happy New Year. Number 6, bon anniversaire. Number 6, bon anniversaire, that means happy birthday. B, happy birthday. So I repeat again. 1, bon voyage, that matching C, have a nice journey. Number 2, bon weekend, that means matching A, have a nice weekend. Number 3, bonne route. Bonne route, that means E, have a safe journey. Number E matching, have a safe journey. Number 4, bonnes vacances. 4, bonnes vacances, that is matching F, have a nice holiday. F, have a nice holiday. Number 5, bonne année. Bonne année, that means Happy New Year. Number D. Number 6, bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire, that means B, happy birthday. Write it. If you any problem, any doubt, just communicate. The teacher have to tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Tomorrow you have a class, but tomorrow you have a second unit test. So today I discuss this video class. Okay? Because tomorrow I have a normal routine class, but tomorrow you have a French exam. So today I discuss this lesson. Okay? That is not burden you. If tomorrow your exam, tomorrow you take a class, that is a burden for you. But today I discuss this class and tomorrow you have an exam. Okay. Exercise 7. Here is rearrange the word. Rearrange the word and make sentence. Number 1, Je m'appelle Ali. There is not arrange. You have to rearrange. There is some word you have to arrange and make some word, make some sentence. Je m'appelle Ali. That means my name is Ali. J'habite à Paris. Number 2. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Number 3. Je vais bien. Merci. Number 3. Je vais bien. Merci. Je vais bien. Merci. And number 4. J'ai 5 ans. J'ai 5 ans. That means I have 5 years old. Je m'appelle Ali. My name is Ali. J'habite à Paris. That means I live in Paris. Je vais bien, merci. I am well, thank you. J'ai 5 ans. I am 5 years old. So write it. After the class, I will take a snapshot and send it to your homework assignment app. Don't worry. And if you any problem, any doubt, no hesitate, just communicate the teacher app. I have to rectify your problem. So today is for that. Tomorrow you have an exam. So best of luck for tomorrow's exam. Today's is for that. Bye bye.